Funny looking.
Look at that.
Come on, let's go show Jace. Don't throw it on him, Neil. Just show him.
I put Ghostbusters.
Look at Jace. Grasshopper. Neil, get closer.
It's all right there.
Let me see. This is funny. This stuff Michael used to be catching little grasshoppers too. Let me get a closer view on his face. I don't know why I want to see his face though. A funny looking little grasshopper.
Yeah.
I guess that's good so you can blend in with the rocks and stuff.
It's all back there.
Yep. Well, good thing he's not trying to bite. But he don't want to be caught though. So we're going to release him, okay, Mel?
Mom.
Yes. He likes the rocks.
Mom.